This video is an example of how to use Ogive. A. Find the number of scores that are less than 50. Go to x-axis, find 50. From the axis, draw a straight vertical line up till it touches the ogive line. Then draw a horizontal line till it meets the y-axis. Here the answer is 6. Find the number of scores that is more than 70. Go to x-axis, find 70. From the x-axis, draw a straight vertical line up till it touches the ogive line. Then draw a horizontal line till it meets the y-axis. You will get 28. Since the number of scores that are less than 70 is 28, then, the number of scores that are greater than 70 is 37 minus 28, which is equal to 9. Find the number of scores that are between 45 and 60. Go to the x-axis, find 45 and 60. From the x-axis, draw a straight vertical line up for both numbers till it touch the ogive line. Then draw a horizontal line till it meets the y-axis. For 60 you will get 16 and for 45 you will get 4. So, the number of scores between 45 and 60 is 16 minus 4, which is equal to 12. If 5 students have to fail, find the passing mark. Go to y-axis. Locate the number 5. Draw a straight horizontal line till it touches the ogive line. Draw a vertical line down the ogive line till it meets the x-axis. Here, you will get 49. Therefore the passing mark is 50. If 5 students were given an A, find the lowest score to get an A. First, take 37 minus 5, which is equal to 32. This is the number of scores which are less than 78. Go to y-axis. Pinpoint 32. Draw a straight horizontal line till it touches the ogive line. Draw a vertical line till it touches the x-axis. Identify the number on the x-axis. Here, the number on the x-axis is 78. Therefore the lowest score to get an A is 78. Thank you for watching.